Welcome back to Trading Strategy number 3, day 99. Today we are going to begin the discussion how to exit your trade for profit. First, I have to start by saying this is the most subjective part of trading. Everyone does it differently. Here is the timeless key principle. Let your profits run. This is much easier said than done. In order to let your profits run, you will need to sacrifice some profits on some trades. You have to grasp and accept that key principle. I will share with you a technique I use to let profits run. In time, you may find other techniques you prefer. Please scroll down the page to find the training materials for today's lesson. Thank you for being with me today, and I'll see you in tomorrow's lesson.